Hello, this is Ferial from ByFERIAL channel. Thank you for joining me. Dress to impress at work. It's an easy saying. However, for us to dress to impress at work, we need to look at few components of our image. It's not as easy as you think. What do I mean by that? Dress for the job you have, for the message you want to send. I know in the past I said dress for the job you want, but not what you have. This topic is different though. So if you are a school teacher, if you are a CEO, if you are a shop assistant, for example, dress to cater to the people around you. So if you are an assistant in a boutique, what is the boutique like? Who are you catering for? Are you selling a designer label? Are you selling more economic outfits? So therefore you need to dress accordingly. If you are selling $1,000 outfit, you need to look like $1,000 outfit. You need to preach. You need to look the part. You need to make people around you comfortable, that you understand them, that you are fit for the job that they want. So therefore you need to dress appropriately in hope that they want to resemble your look, and this is why they will buy your product. So if you are a mother at home, for example, well, you need to look the part as well, but don't slack off. You need to be proud of being a mother at home. You need to dress properly, so when you drop your kids off or you are with them, they are proud to show off their mum and to say, this is my mother, not to look, outside your comfort zone, too lazy. And we all get lazy, but you need to always get outside your comfort zone, look properly, impress your kids, your husband, your colleagues, your business partners, whoever you are trying to impress. So dress professionally to impress others in your own area. If you're not sure what to wear for any specific industry, please know I am here to support you. Give me a call or message us, Ferial at ByFERIAL channel. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now.